When coughs, flus, fevers hit, it's time for herbal baths, and that's what we are going to prepare today. This herb here is called goatweed or ageratum. It's good for fevers, it's good for viral infections, it's good for skin diseases, it's good for malaria, it's good for pneumonia, and many other things. So we are going to be using it. You can identify it with the flowers. Its flowers, some are purple, some are white. Then we are also going to be adding lion's ear. You can identify it with this. It grows this, its flowers like this, its seeds are inside there. But it's also good for flu, it's good for jaundice, it's good for viral infections, tuberculosis, diarrhea, fever, skin diseases, and it's an antibacterial, it's an anti-malarial, very many benefits it has. This herb is also rich in vitamin C, so it's good in times of colds, coughs. Yeah, another herb we are going to add, these are guava leaves. Guava leaves are anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antimicrobial. That's why they help to prevent bacterial growth in the body. They are rich in vitamin C, they are rich in potassium, they repel excess mucus from the body. So they are all good for coughs, for flus. So we are going to put all these herbs together. We are going to make an infusion out of all these herbs. So we put them in water in a basin, and you just keep squeezing them out. All these herbs here are good immune boosters. As you continue doing this, you keep breaking down the herbs, and as you see, the water keeps changing color to the green. The nutrients in the herbs go into the water, and that's what we want, because it's that water that's going to be absorbed through the skin. We have broken down most of the herbs. You can continue doing this, continue breaking down as much as you would like. You see, the more you break down, the darker the color becomes and the better. There are different ways of breaking down these herbs. If you can't do this, you can also blend your herbs and just pour them in a basin. So this is what you use to bathe. If you're going to bathe a baby or a little child, put them in this water and let them stay there. You can put for them toys or what, and let them stay there for at least 20 minutes. Or if you want this bath a bit warm, you can add some hot water and make it a bit warm. Enjoy your herbal bath.